Yeah, they say the wind is only 25 to 30 miles an hour, but this is more like 60. It's crazy. I had to put the slide in because the wind's so bad. I am under the weather today. I'm inside, which works out great because it is so windy out there. We just had a big gust come through here that I couldn't even see out the window. It's about a steady stream wind of about 30 miles an hour. But the gusts, I'm not sure what they are. 60 miles an hour maybe? But I'll try to record the next one that comes through. But it's insane. Ugh. So I was given this by a friend. It's ramen noodles in sauce, breakfast, artificially flavored as maple syrup, pancakes, sausage, and egg. I don't know, but we're about to find out. This is what it looks like inside. Is that dehydrated eggs there? And then some sausage. Yikes. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I really don't want to do this. Let it cool off a little bit. Do you think that's real egg? Oh, it's hot. Does that look like a real egg? Now I'm trying to buff this out a little bit for Kristofer. I wish I could stay and do the rest of it, but I've only done parts, a little bit in the front and the back, and then I started on the side here.